Come test drive 2004 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.